What is up, guys? Today we are working on a 2018 Ford Transit Connect with a 2.5 liter engine, and we're going to be doing a drain and fill of the transmission. So first thing we do is remove this undercover here. It has T30 bolts to remove. It has 5 of them. Well, this one has 5 of them. We have the drain plug down here, and the fuel plug is going to be on top. Now I'm going to put like a drain catch pan container so I can measure the amount of oil that comes out, so I can make sure to put the exact same amount of oil back in, which in this vehicle is gonna be somewhere around 4 quarts. I believe this one, it was like 4.25. It was like somewhere in between 4 and 4.5 quarts that came out. So I want to make sure that I check it, how much it comes out. As you can see, this vehicle has no leaks, so I'm not worried about, oh, it was low and I need to make sure that I put the right amount back. I'm just gonna make sure that I put the right amount that came out back into the transmission. To check the fluid on this transmission, it's like you actually need to take out like a couple of hoses, and it's like a special kit that they sell. So if you have no leaks, this process will work out for you. So now to put this cover back on, like I said, 5 T30 bolts. I believe there's supposed to be 7, but this one only had 5. After I put them all by hand, I come back and hit them with the impact, make sure they're all nice and tight, and then we start lowering the car. If you're working on the floor, then you don't need to level the car. It's not one of those type of drainage fluid fields. But yeah, so the transmission, this one takes MERCON LV. Next step right here is to remove the air box. So we start off by unplugging the master flow sensor, disconnecting these 2 breather hoses, undo the clamp that holds this air box to the throttle body, remove this upper part right here. It does have like 2 clips right here to remove the upper part of the, like to be able to see the air filter. Also, if your air filter is dirty, go ahead and replace it while you're here. This bottom part of the air box just kind of pulls straight up. It just has like grommets on the bottom, so just pull straight up, put it off to the side. And then the fuel plug or breather plug is right here. It's just held in by 1 clamp. It's gonna be right under the radiator hose. So just clean it up a little bit, put some pliers in there, take the tension off of that clamp, and then we can pull it out. And here you see the plug slash breather right here. Put it up to the side. Get our handy dandy funnel. Make sure that it's all up in there. That's what she said. Now that it's in, we're gonna put our fluid back in. Like I said, this is a 5-quart jug. 4 quarts will be down here, so we're gonna put it all the way up until like down here. Leave like half a quart in here, and there it goes. MERCON LV. Make sure that you double check what type of transmission fluid your car takes, but this one was MERCON LV. We're gonna save that for later. Take our funnel back off, put our cover slash breather back on. Make sure that we clamp it back in the correct spot where it goes. We don't want these to fall off or anything like that. Then we're gonna get dust in there and might cause some damage in the later future. So now we get our air boxes back on. The bottom part, like I said, is just grommet, so we put it back on. Make sure it clips back into place, and then we grab our upper part, put it back on. Make sure that we connect our mass airflow sensor. We don't want any checking in light codes or anything like that. And as long as you put in the same amount that you took off of the transmission, you should be okay. Just make sure that you go and give it a quick test drive. Make sure that everything, all the gears going to where they should be. I don't know, for the most part we do this for like maintenance. If you're having other issues, you might want to get the transmission looked at, but there it is. Alright guys, so as always, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell for me, share the channel. I will catch you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching, and you guys have yourselves a great day.